I wolfed out and couldn't, change back. Would you come and find me?
I have no problem hunting you down.
I'm not strong enough like this. You won't be able to turn back. Here's Alpha. I can't let her die. Enid. It was the only way to save him.